Something special awaits us each day. All we need to recognize it and make the most of it. We should have a positive attitude throughout the day, and then that today is going to be the best day of our life. With this beautiful light, a very warm good morning to one and all present over here, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Sampath Kumar Hendram, on behalf of Standard 9, welcoming you to today's morning assembly. Let's start the morning assembly with DAV gun.
School! Attention! Ready for the gun! Join your hands and close your eyes.
First of all, I would like to call the taking place.
School! Stand at ease!
Take place position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to call evening 10 principles of Arya Samaj.
10 Principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 3. The Vedas are the scriptures of all true knowledge. It is the first duty of Aryas to read them, hear them being read and recite them to others. Principle number 4. We should always be ready to accept truth and give up untruth. Thank you.
For today's thought, I would like to call.
Good morning everybody, I am Ashish Sinduri of class 9. Today's thought is, success is the sum of all the several efforts repeatedly after day in and day out. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for prayer song.
like to call.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: expelled Uttarakhand BJP Minister Harak Singh Rawat joins Congress in Delhi. India vs South Africa live. Rahul scores 50 stitches, 100-run stand with band. India to begin 2022 T20 World Cup campaign against Pakistan on October 23. Petrol and diesel prices decrease in Bhubaneswar today. Thank you and have a nice day.
For some amazing fact, I would like to call.
Good morning everyone. Today's factoid are based on Udham Singh. Udham Singh was an Indian revolutionary belonging to Ghadar Party and HSRA. He was born in 26 December 1899 at Sunam of Punjab. His parents are Sardar Tihal Singh Jammu and mother Mata Narayan Kaur. He was also referred to as Shahid Azam Sardar Udham Singh. He died on 31st July 1940 at the age of 40 at Barnsbury, England. A district called Udham Singh Nagar of Uttarakhand was named after him to pay homage in October 1995 by the Mayawati government. That's all. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for national anthem.
If you have the chance to make people happy, just do it. Sometimes people are struggling silently. Maybe your act of kindness can make their day. So with this beautiful line, I am concluding today's morning assembly. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, stand at ease. Assembly dispersed.